Josh Waters. It's raining, mate. Yeah. It's not supposed to rain when you go to the racetrack. Okay, year 3 in a row at Mac Park, hanging out with Levi Day for the on-track rider training. And this year it's decided to rain. It's only light rain, but it's bloody annoying because we want to get out on the track and ride. So just going to scoot down to the riders briefing here. See Levi talk with his dodgy half English accent and see what's going on.
I think the weather's meant to be getting better by about 9:30, 10 o'clock, so we'll still get heaps of track time in after that. We've got myself and Josh Waters doing the one-on-one coaching today, and Ty and Travis will be helping out with some of the one-on-one stuff as well, so you guys will probably get a bit more than you might get 2 or 3 sessions with the coaches. Josh is just bringing his jigsaw down here, and after the briefing we're going to have a bit of a chat about body position and stuff like that, so you're more than welcome to stick around for it. If you want to go and grab a coffee though and get your wet tyres ready to go out, you can do that as well. If people do want to go out in the wet, the track will be open, you're more than welcome to.
HoonTV! It's going to be sunny in about an hour. Hopefully, I don't know.
That's Nick Hines. He got a trophy the other week because I wasn't there.
No, well, I would have kicked your ass.
Yay for me. Greetings from Mount Gambier Hospital. It's Sunday 16th of February. I'm not dying, luckily. I'm gonna be alright, but kind of smashed up my shoulder a bit today. Riding at the track for on-track rider training, Levi Day's events. Had some wicked painkillers before, so that sort of helped me a bit, but just kicking back, waiting. Yeah, and big thanks to Levi and his dad, Robert. He's an awesome bloke. He's got me here to the hospital and bought me some stuff. And yeah, and also like a big thanks to Faceta. You know, I still broke my shoulder, but without, you know, the right gear on, you could have been much worse. So yeah, other than the shoulder and just cutting my finger, because I think I landed a bit on my hand. Yeah, not too bad. And also massive thanks to Josh Waters too, because Joshy was there on the bike not far behind me, and he pulled up straight away and came to help me and stuff like that. So yeah, thanks to everyone. I was having a wicked weekend up until that point, and other than that, you know, this isn't going to hold me back from riding bikes or anything like that, but you know, it's just one of those hiccups you have. And yeah, but you know, I'm in good hands here. The nurses and doctors at the hospital are pretty good, but yeah, life goes on. So enjoy the rest of your weekend, and I'll talk to you when I'm talking to you.